every time we should be familiar with the vocabularies we do use in interaction. This use of vocabularies will enrich our speaking style. We should we shouldn't be freaked out for a fraction of second in dispelling the low confidence while interacting with anyone. And also we should be we should be optimistic and get along with the words and meanings about the subject matter we share with anyone. We should have the profound knowledge about the topic we choose and communicate with, and this will make our confidence to get better at, and worth of speaking highly of. And I think the process will not prevail, not that means the process of feeble situation will not prevail whenever we get a prompt action on using communication, using various words and vocabs like that, likes in our speaking while speaking in English. Because speaking in English is just not for making fluency. We should be habituated to enhance the vocabularies, new words, and that would look very stylish and appealing as well. And we can feel ecstatic and someone whenever we talk to anyone, that person also or the listeners will feel accelerated rather than to feel desolate, or you can say delicate in any mood. So, whatever the words we have to say, we need to get the process under the radar. We need to work under the radar, and we should not be the part of canon that we grammars are the main part, vocabularies are not that much important. We should get better at making our speaking very interactive, very attractive, and exquisite as well. We should call it a day. The gap in making our process of speaking without being regular as well. I know it's not a piece of cake for anyone to use new vocabularies in interaction while interacting with anyone, but if we feel cool as a cucumber, and if we try to prevent the process of thinking what the word should be the next to say, then we have we have to be worth uh, worth practicing, worth of practicing, and we should give the value of time. We should go bananas for making this habit into our into in our daily life and daily conversation. Although we need to confront the challenges, the use of words, very we should be very familiar with the words in magazine, newspaper, talking with anyone, reading books. We can get plenty of new words here, and vigorously we should be telling our topic, using various vocabularies, various new words here. So that will make our life extempore from the people who are not really practicing, that will join us, the conglomerates of experts in speaking English. I do feel so. So we shouldn't think how come it's possible, because we know it's possible. It's a piece of cake for us, and it if we comply with the words, meanings, pros and cons of interaction, then seldom we can get the gap in making our daily communication regular, and we can get the accomplishment of making interaction with anyone in this world. And the use of vocabulary makes the communication have the better, and that if you can make it as a habit, then it you can get a very tickling time while conversing with anyone in this world, and you would not be oblivious and tedious. You will get the steadfast support of making your interaction as a piece of communication, as a masterpiece uh, of uh, of the time of present moment. And that's all the words I have used in this conversation, in this topic. So let us do this process as a regular basis. We can get a very high value and from other, and we can get people are speaking highly of the words we are using, and we can get the confidence back, and this will run our communication as a as a as a number one, as a number one and go getter in making our communication um, superb. So thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to me. Please try vocabularies in your conversation, and you will be the master of the words, master of communication. My all the wishes are with you. So thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Meet you again. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.